Magandang umaga. This is Dad's Greetings, Banners, and more. In this video, I am making sewing pillowcases for our bedroom. This is two sizes, one big and one regular size. The big size measures 43 inches width and 21 inches height. For the regular pillowcase size, I just lay down the regular pillowcase on the top of the fabric and add ½ inch for the allowance. After I measure and mark the fabric for the desired size, I cut the fabric. For the big size pillowcases, I measure ½ inch on all sides and fold and pin it. Measure again for 4 inches and fold and pin it again. While for the regular size, I measure ¼ inches and fold and pin it. Then measure 2 inches, fold and pin it again. When everything were good, I sewed its folds. I selected the number 149 design on my Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. I like the design, though I made a mistake on using the needle. It takes time for me to realize I'm using wrong size needle for the fabric. The fabric is medium weight. Medium weight use a regular point needle size 14 by 90 or 14/90 in sewing medium weight. Fabrics like chino, brocade or brocade, broadcloth, corduroy, chintz, satin, linen, flannel, synthetic suedes, Polin, taffeta, and velvet. So those are the medium weight. So we need to use the 14 by 90 or 14/90 needle. I bought this fabric 2 years ago and today I have time to do my project. I prefer to use white solid color because it matches to our headboard and weight blanket. But the little problem again is that red color. I don't know. I didn't know that I don't have a gray color. Anyways, our blanket has this color somewhere, so I use this something like a salmon color. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified on my next video, and then please comment down below how do you make your pillowcases? Do you buy? You prefer to buy, or if let's say if you have a sewing machine, do you make your own pillowcases, and what is the design you like to do? So here, this is a solid color, so this is my design. So thank you for watching. By the way, I watched first the YouTube on how to make a pillowcases. So this is it. So this is my final. This is my decision. This is my design. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified on my next video, and please watch and enjoy the music. Bye. Thank you. So, ito na ang nagawa kong big size pillowcase. The design is number 49 sa Brother CS6000i. Ang tela ay broadcloth medium weight na dapat ang needle na gagamitin ay 14 by 90. Hindi ko tinastas yung mali ko pagkagawa para mag-remind sa akin yung needle na dapat gamitin sa ganitong dapat na fabric. Kumbaga, it will reminds me my mistake. It will reminds me the correct needle I'm going to use. Mula dito hanggang dyan, ano siya, late na nung ma-realize ko na hindi kaya yung needle ang may problema, kasi yung ginamit ko yung needle na yun, wala akong problema nung tinatahi ko yung cat's bed. Tapos hanggang sa lagi kasi napuputol, tapos lagi naaalis yung sinulid dun sa pinaka-hook ng needle. Ayan, may butas naman siya. Pero talagang hindi lagi napuputol. Hanggang sa sabi ko, palitan ko kaya yung needle. Kasi ilang beses ko nang lagi ko inaayos. Pagdating dito, yan. Ayan siya. As dito ko na-realize na palitan ko kaya yung needle. So, ang ginamit kong needle dito ay 90 by 14 ba yun? Kung paano bigkasin. Yan na siya. Ayan, dito maayos na siya. Hindi ko tinastas, hindi ko maalala ko na yung pag nananahip, kailangan isa sa mga na palitan din. May tamang needle para sa bawat fabric. Ito kasi parang makapal siya, may pagka medium heavy. Kaya nung pinalitan ko, ayun na, dire-diretso na ako. Naging maayos na. Ayan siya. At isa pa, dapat ang gagamitin ko gray na sinulid. Wala pala akong sinulid na meron ako kaso na sa maliit na lang. Hindi na kaya. Kaya yun, dalawa ang mali. Kasi naman tatakbo pa ako sa store para lang bumili ng sinulid na yun. Maybe next time. So, ayan na yung ginawa kong pillowcases. 2 size, isang big, isang small size. Pasensya nyo na yung aming bed. So, kaya, yan. Kaya, white ang pinili ko kasi yung headboard ay gray, dark gray. And then, etong, hindi ko lang kung anong tawag dito, quilt blanket, ganyan ang style niya. Pero, meron siyang gray, meron siyang parang salmon or whatever. Tapos, pero sa likod niyan ay gray. Dati ang nilalagay ko, eto, kaso parang madilim siyang tingnan. Kaya sabi ko, back to sa ganitong design para kahit paano ay maliwanag dito sa kwarto. So, ayan yung aking ginawa. Pillowcases. Itong maliit at itong malaki. So, ito yung size na regular size lang na sinasabi kong regular size lang. Ganyan. Tapos, may malaking allowance sa dulo. It's a great achievement sa akin nakagawa ko ng pillow. Kasi yung unang gawa kong pillow, yung dito is hanggang dito. Yung kita pa yung yung pillowcase pala siya sabi ko. Yung kita pa ito, sabi ko pa parang hindi yata magandang tingnan. Hanggang sa nanood ako ng YouTube. Tapos sabi ko, ganun pala. Kailangan pala kahit pa paano i-cover. Kahit pa paano pala ay ibang hindi nakikita yung loob ng pillow. Yan. Ito yung small size. Ito naman ang big size. King size kasi yung aming bed. Kaya may mahaba kaming pillow. Di ba itong pillowcases ay ang size niya, ang width niya ay nasa 43 inches. Kasama na itong allowance. Yan. Naka-fold. Ginawa ko fold dito sa pag ganun. Ayan. So, I'm happy. I'm happy dito sa aking pillow. Ayan. Diba? Mas maganda na siyang tingnan ngayon. Pareho siyang puti. Not like before. Ang ginagamit ko yung parang gray na may bulaklakin. Tapos puti dito. Parang parang hindi malinaw and hindi magandang tingnan. Maganda siya pero hindi siya magandang tingnan. Mas maganda yung ganyan siya. O diba, parang sa mga hotel na puro puti ang kulay, solid color lang. O diba, asyan. Ganyan. My pillow.